This video will show you the full settings of the Madden 25 for beginners. So if you're new to Madden NFL 25, setting up the right game settings can significantly enhance your learning curve and overall enjoyment. So here's how to get you started. For core game setting is that skill level should be pro. It offers a balanced challenge suitable for newcomers. Game style should be simulation. It provides a realistic football experience. Quarter length should be 6 minutes. To ensure games are concise and allows you to focus on learning without lengthy commitments. Accelerated clock. It should be on with a 20-second runoff keeps the game pace brisk, simulating real NFL play clocks. Next is for the gameplay sliders. Adjust for realism and balance. QB accuracy should be 50, pass coverage should be also 50, tackling should be 50, and interceptions should be 35 to reduce the frequency of interceptions, allowing for a more forgiving passing game. For the passing mechanics is that classic passing is a must and placement and accuracy. And start with classic passing to get comfortable, then experiment with placement and accuracy as you gain confidence. So that is all for the setting for Madden NFL 25.